Welcome to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into a versatile piece of beauty gear that's been designed with makeup artists, hairstylists, and beauty enthusiasts in mind. We're talking about the Makeup Train Case with 4 universal wheels, portable makeup suitcase with drawers, unfold table, and makeup mirror. Whether you're a pro or just someone looking for a convenient way to store your beauty essentials, this case might be just what you need. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. This makeup train case is built with strong materials and a sturdy structure, offering a robust load-bearing capacity of 110.23 pounds. So it's safe to say this case is built to last, even under heavy use. The sleek black and gray color options keep things professional and stylish, and it's equipped with features that make storing and organizing makeup a breeze. Now, let's break down what you get with this set. The product's standout feature is its adjustable makeup mirror. A simple touch of the switch button lets you toggle between different light colors, warm yellow, neutral, and white, and you can also adjust the brightness to suit your needs. This makes it a handy tool for both makeup artists on the go and beauty lovers who need a reliable setup for their at-home routines. The 4 universal wheels are a major selling point. 2 of them have brakes for extra stability, and the overall design makes the train case easy to move around. It's a thoughtful touch for those who need a mobile solution. Plus, the foldable beauty table adds a unique feature, allowing you to spread out your makeup while keeping everything neatly organized. When you're done, just fold it back for compact storage. It's perfect for saving space. In terms of storage, this train case has you covered. With 30 nail enhancement grids, there's ample room for your nail polish, lipsticks, and other smaller beauty items. The 4 drawers and separate compartments offer a designated space for your foundations, eyeliners, and everything else you want to keep in one place. The handles on the drawers make it easy to open and retrieve what you need quickly. Now, let's talk about real-world use. In my testing, I found that the case was super easy to assemble, and the setup was a breeze. The mirror's lighting options were excellent for getting the perfect lighting, whether I was working on my makeup during the day or at night. The case itself was spacious enough to hold all my makeup essentials without feeling overcrowded. And because the wheels are sturdy, I had no problem moving it around. However, while the case is quite durable, the size can be a bit bulky, especially if you have limited space. And while the wheels make it easy to transport, it's still fairly large to carry around for everyday use, so it's best suited for those who need a portable yet spacious storage solution. Pros: strong load-bearing capacity, can hold up to 110.23 pounds, making it perfect for heavy-duty use. Adjustable mirror lighting, provides excellent lighting options with adjustable brightness. Easy mobility, 4 universal wheels with brakes make it easy to move and stabilize. Spacious and organized, ample storage with compartments and drawers for all your beauty products. Foldable beauty table, convenient for on-the-go makeup applications. Cons: size, it's large, which might not be ideal for those with limited storage space. Weight, although durable, it can be heavy when fully packed, making it less ideal for everyday travel. When it comes to value for money, this case is a solid choice for anyone who needs both mobility and organization. If you're a makeup artist or a beauty enthusiast with a lot of products, this case can easily justify the price. However, if you only have a few items or don't need to transport them frequently, it may not be the most cost-effective option. Comparisons. There are other makeup train cases available in a similar price range, but this one's adjustable mirror and foldable table make it stand out. Many options lack those features, so if you're looking for an all-in-one solution, this one is hard to beat. As for build quality, the materials used feel solid, and the case seems like it will stand the test of time, even with frequent use. The wheels are sturdy, and the locking mechanisms feel secure, so you won't have to worry about any malfunctioning parts down the line. If you're in the market for a similar product, there are a few more compact options out there, but they usually lack the flexibility and organization this case offers. If you need something more portable and budget-friendly, you might want to consider smaller versions that focus purely on storage without the added mobility features. To wrap things up, This makeup train case is a solid investment if you're looking for an organized, portable solution for your beauty products. Its robust build, ample storage, and thoughtful design features make it ideal for both professionals and beauty enthusiasts who need a convenient and reliable storage solution. However, if you don't need a case this large, you might want to explore more compact alternatives. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. What's your go-to beauty storage solution? We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.